Day 25. Yes, we did it. So this is my detox, guys. Ooh, let's drink. Ah. Ooh. There's more. We did it, guys. And we are getting there. Ooh. Just keep going. Yeah, we did it, guys. Ciao. Day 25, 6 days away from 1 month, and this morning something happened that I wasn't expecting. I was training, sweating, moving, pushing, and suddenly my mind went somewhere. It has never gone before. I started thinking about traveling all over Ghana, every region, every city, every corner of this beautiful country, and I thought and I was thinking, where did that come from? Then I realized that is what 25 days of showing up does to your mind. Most people think wellness is about the body, losing weight, burning fat, getting fit, and yes, that is part of it. But here is what nobody tells you about consistent training. It does not just change your body, it changes your mind. When you show up for your body every day, your mind starts to believe you will show up for your dreams too. When you push through your physical discomfort, your mind learns it can push through mental discomfort too. When you train on the days you do not want to, your mind stops asking whether you are ready. It just goes. This is what day 25 has done to me. I'm not just losing weight, I am expanding. That thought about traveling Ghana was not random. It came from somewhere real. 30 days ago, I would not have thought about traveling anywhere. I was stuck, repeating the same patterns, playing small. But something about showing up every day for 25 days straight has opened something in my mind. I believe that can go further, see more, do more, be more. And maybe that starts with me. And maybe that starts with Ghana. Every region, every story, every face. This is my and I want to know it completely. Maybe that is what month 2 looks like, building my life and documenting Ghana at the same time. Just a thought. But thoughts becomes plan and plans becomes reality, especially when you have 25 days of discipline behind you. This is the awareness lesson for today. Your body and your mind are not separate, they are one system. When you heal one, you heal the other. When you strengthen one, you strengthen the other. When you show up for one, you show up for the other. Green tea, ginger, and lemon every morning does not just reduce inflammation in your body, it clears your mind. It creates space for bigger thoughts to come through. The travel vision this morning that came through a clear mind, a mind that has been detoxing every day, training every day, showing up every day. Awareness is not just physical. Awareness is the expansion of everything you believe is possible for yourself. Hi, day 25 done. I trained and drank my detox. And I also edited all my BS with content today. And I had a vision that scared me a little and excited me at the same time. And I'm writing it down because thoughts becomes plans. And plans becomes reality. And to every woman watching this, what vision came to you that you dismiss as just a thought? Write it down. I'm Bibi. I'm rebuilding my life and I'm just getting started one day at a time. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.